हेलो नमस्ते, मैं ईरा सहाय। आई एम बैक अगेन विद अनदर डी लाइफ डिप्लोमा कोर्स रिव्यू वीडियो और मेरे साथ आज हैं दीपमाला पटोले। शी इज अ डी लाइफ सर्टिफाइड metabolic health coach, also a member of D Life. A little bit of information on Deepmala Patole. She's a master's in business management, has done a master's in business management, and she's also worked with HDFC. And she was urged to do the course by her husband, who's in the pharma business, pharma industry, and she was told that she will benefit immensely from the course, and that's how Deepmala Patole came to D Life to learn and study and get certified in low carb nutrition and metabolic health. Deepmala, welcome. और कैसा
थैंक यू।
लगता है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको कि आप अब सर्टिफाइड मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ कोच हो गए?
एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि दिस इज माय सेकंड चांस टू स्टार्ट माय करियर। तो ऐसा था कि जब 2022 में जब मेरे हस्बैंड को कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट हुआ हार्ट में, तो वी वेंट टू हॉस्पिटल। तो देयर वी केम टू नो ही हैज अ ब्लॉक इन हिज हार्ट। तो उसमें क्या हो गया कि ही वॉज वेरी हेल्थी, like we were oil we were used to avoid, and if तो ये सर हमने रिसर्च वर्क स्टार्ट किया। तो रिसर्च जब हम लोग कर रहे थे तब हमने कुछ मेरे हस्बैंड ने एक्चुअली शशिकांत आयंगर जी के पोस्ट सुने, ट्वीट देखे, और वो ट्वीट के कारण वंस ही केम होम एंड ही सेड यू आर डूइंग दिस कोर्स, आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड and it was very the course was very tough for me as I was not from the background of biology. My specialization is chemistry, but then it took me around 1 month ki what it is going on, and then I attended metabolic conference, first metabolic conference that changed whole my mind, and I'm very happy with this.
दीपमाला, अब आपने कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया है। नेचुरली यू आर आल्सो नाउ अ सर्टिफाइड मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ कोच। आप थोड़ा कोर्स के बारे में बताइए। जब आप पढ़ रहे थे तो आपको क्या क्या चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगी कोर्स के बारे में?
सबसे पहला ये था कि मैं हमारे मन में इतना मिथ्स होता है ना, जैसे फैट्स फैट्स आर बैड। तो फैट्स इज नॉट एट ऑल बैड। तो वी intake of salt, so we reduced intake of salt as my mother had hypertension, so we reduced. But this was the myths which really came across. And I also जो बोलते हैं रियल फूड क्या होता है, ये सब ये कोर्स के थ्रू ही पता चला है हमें।
तो
तो
बेसिकली आपका मिथ काफी ब्रेक हुआ लर्निंग के प्रोसेस में, और जो न्यू
टू मच।
लर्निंग हुई वो तो, हाँ, जो न्यू लर्निंग हुई तो वो तो एक अलग ही दुनिया है। आई थिंक हम सबके साथ ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि जिसको हम हेल्दी समझ के आते हैं, कल भी मैंने एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग की थी, उसमें भी मैंने बोला था हमारे पास जो लोग ये बोल के भी आते हैं ना कि हम पहले से लो कार्ब कर रहे थे, उनके भी वीडियोस हैं कि एक्चुअली लो कार्ब करते हुए भी वो गलत कर रहे थे। उनको एक्चुअली पता नहीं था, क्योंकि उनकी प्लेट पे बहुत सारा ओट्स या फ्रूट्स बहुत क्वांटिटी में, या फिर अगर डायबिटिक है तो मिलेट्स को हेल्दी समझ रहे थे। तो ये सारी
हाँ,
मिथ्स
मेरे
है।
भी घर में वही था कि वी वर ऑन हाई कार्ब।
यस।
तो by the God's grace कि I don't have any metabolic syndrome as of now. Even my mother didn't have. But after the age of 60, she diagnosed with high BP, then uric acid her went up. So how? What? I I was thinking the same. Ki how? As we are having a balanced diet, Indian balanced diet is dal, chawal, sabji, roti, and all that thing. Still, but it really break my myth when I came to know that wheat is not healthy. So
सो दीपमाला, ये बताइए कि आप कोर्स जब कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे भी आपके पास इतना बड़ा फोरम सपोर्ट था, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप था, 2000 प्लस रेसिपीज थी, केस स्टडीज मतलब हजारों में केस स्टडीज हैं, और आप भी अगर आज के दिन में अगर कोई क्लाइंट रिपोर्ट या कोई पोस्ट करना चाहोगे तो आपको सारी हेल्प मिलती है। आप बताओ कि कोर्स करने के दौरान और कंप्लीट करने के दौरान भी कोर्स सपोर्ट कैसा है?
core support is actually forum जो है best thing on the course is forum, where we discuss everything. Whatever the queries are, like stupid queries भी वहाँ पर solve होती है. Nobody is judging you over there. So that is best part of the course is forum. And the recipes are immense. I have tried a lot of recipes from that. Even your that lasini palak
Lasagna
paneer.
palak paneer. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
tried.
That's such a
That
delight
was
to know
very
that you tried
tasty.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
हाँ, बोल रहे थे कुछ आप?
हाँ, तो ऐसा था कि I was like food. I love food. Even I always search for the recipes. Okay. And I always search ki what things are going to be healthy in my whole life, like 15 20 years. I wa- I was searching for different types of things, where I got to know ki what things are healthy and what things are not healthy on this forum only. But and I lot of I made lot of mistakes earlier also, but now I'm.
तो दीपमाला, आप अभी क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं? और अगर एज अ मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ कोच आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं सर्टिफाई होने के बाद, तो क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे लोगों को कि वो आपको कैसे अप्रोच कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, they can approach me on Twitter also at the rate DEEP 3914, and my WhatsApp number is 8169304747.
ओके दीपमाला, ये बताइए कि जो लोग डी लाइफ डिप्लोमा कोर्स करने की सोच रहे हैं या नहीं सोच रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है कि इससे ये लोगों को कोर्स करना चाहिए? पहली चीज, कितना वैल्यू ऐड होता है इससे? एंड व्हाई डू यू थिंक इट इज नेसेसरी इन टुडेज world where we are facing an epidemic of metabolic health crisis? So be it for their own personal benefit, or be it for monetizing this immense knowledge, how would you say, or what would you say to those who are thinking of enrolling or pursuing a career or learning in low carb nutrition and metabolic health?
Yeah, definitely a very good, no doubt about it. You can go through your own benefits are there, health benefits are there, your wellness, and the when you look towards a food, differently changes. I started when I look towards the food, I always go for a labels and all those things. Even my kids are seeing the labels, have started seeing the label. My 10-year-old is, oh, mama, how much carb is there? Look, how much carb is there? So definitely, whoever is interested in course will definitely benefit for themselves also, and will be able to benefit the community also. That will be very helpful.
So thank you, Deepmala. And a bit about the course. I have spoken about this earlier also, but it always helps to know with every video. So DLife Diploma course comes from the DLife.in platform, which is India's biggest, oldest, and the only award-winning low-carb platform, founded by Anup Singh, an engineer and a silver medalist from IIT Roorkee. DLife was launched in 2014, and it is the biggest low-carb platform in the world, especially for Indian LCHF, Indian Low Carb High Fat. And from there comes the DLife Diploma course, which has 800 plus references, 200,000 plus words, 60 plus relevant videos. There's lifetime access to the course. There's 6 months additional access to the forum from the start of internship unless TOS is violated. Everybody gets free access to this huge resource in the world, one of the biggest or maybe the biggest, for free for life. There is no pre-certification clause to the course. It is India's legally tenable course. It is CPD SO UK accredited, the global biggest of 60 hours credits. CPD is recognized in 40 plus countries. So there comes the international certificate, which our international and overseas enrollees have. The course gives free access to the DLife.in forum, which is 10 plus years of premium curated data that's not available anywhere else in the world, especially for Indian low carb high fat. The forum has 3,000 plus combined success stories, 2,000 plus original low carb, keto, vegetarian, non-vegetarian recipes. 200 plus podcasts for learning and promotional videos of our, coaches, and also metabolic health conferences 1 and 2. We have the largest content on low carb nutrition and metabolic health in the world, as I said. We also have one of the biggest libraries of low carb resource materials, a robust forum of discussion and long threads on cases. Already 3,000 plus success stories are posted there. So if Deepmala wants to handle a client today, she can go and post the reports and all the conditions of the client, and she will get immediately backed by the best metabolic health coaches of India, all of whom are D-Life certified, the mentors of D-Life, who will help her with the case. And that's how we help every enrollee take up cases and see success after success. We also have a 24/7 WhatsApp community support where we have lots of bonding, learning, and fun, of which Deepmala and I are also a part. Deepmala, any last words? कुछ बोलना है और आपको, और कितना मजा आता है आपको डी लाइफ में, ये भी बता दीजिए लोगों को.
Best coaches, top coaches we will get only in D-Life, which they support every time, whichever are. Yeah, if we put questions, we get answers immediately. Whatever the questions are, they are the top coaches. Arun sir is there, Anup sir is there, Shashikant is there, you are there, Ira, and Mandar is there. So the top coaches, and they have immense knowledge. And I also wanted to say one thing, ki whatever the material, which study material there is in the course, it is one of the top, and it is supported by clinical trials only. So best, D-Life is the best.
So थोड़ा सा मैं दीपमाला की बात को और expand कर देती हूँ. Every day, new studies are posted. All the mentors, it is a gold mine of studies, researches, that you will be abreast with the latest research, latest papers, and discussions are going on 24/7. So if you post something today, in the day you get immediate answers. All the mentors are present on the forum, on the WhatsApp group. So it's a huge community of India's top metabolic health coaches. It is an army of metabolic health coaches. All of them are certified through D-Life, and now Deepmala is also one of them. I wish Deepmala Patole all the best for her future practice and wish her more and more success. This is Ira Sahai signing off. Thank you, Deepmala. Thank you for
Thank
coming
you.
and speaking with me. I'll
Thank
be
you.
back again with another course review video. Till then,
Yeah.
bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you.